In this video, we'll show you how to reset a WordPress website without any plugin. By doing a reset, you get a fresh new WordPress site to start from the beginning. We already published plugin-based WordPress reset tutorials, but now let's see how you can reset WordPress sites manually without a plugin. We have logged into our WordPress dashboard, and let's first take a look at our site. We're going to click on Visit Site. Okay, so this is our website. We are using a starter template from Cadence. Okay, so we want to reset this website. Currently, we're using a localhost website, but you can still follow this tutorial if your website is on a live server. The process is the same. If you guys want to learn how you can launch a WordPress website on localhost using XAMPP, we already have a video tutorial on it. We will provide the link in the video description so you can check it out. Now, the easiest method to resetting your WordPress website is by removing the tables of your database. Now, there are various ways of doing it. One of the common ways is through the PHPMyAdmin interface. Now, for localhost, we can easily access our PHPMyAdmin using the XAMPP interface. If you have something like cPanel, you can access your cPanel. If you do not know the username or password to your cPanel, just ask your hosting provider, and from there you can access your PHPMyAdmin and databases of your WordPress website. Now, if you guys have access to your cPanel, what you can simply do is come to your cPanel, scroll down, and from here you can click on PHPMyAdmin and log into your PHPMyAdmin from here. But if your hosting provider doesn't have cPanel, they probably have some other methods of accessing the WordPress database. Just discuss with your hosting provider and you will know. Okay, since we're using a local host, we are simply going to open up XAMPP. Okay, so here's our XAMPP. From our MySQL, we are going to click on Admin, and this is going to lead us to our PHPMyAdmin page. Now here you can see there are a lot of databases. Now, to find which database is yours, what you can do is go to your WordPress website, and from here, go to Tools and click on Site Help. From here, click on Info, and from here, just click on this database drop-down. Here you can see the name of your database, MyWP Site. Okay, so now let's get back to the PHPMyAdmin. So here is my WP site. This is our database. Click on this. Now what we're simply going to do is click on Check All, and from this drop down we are going to select Drop, and now we are going to confirm yes, we want to execute the following query. Great. Now our database is empty. Now you can delete the database, but you have to create the same database with the same name. So why go through all that trouble? Just simply remove the tables and you're done. Now we are going to come back to our website, and here if we refresh our page or if we visit the URL, what's going to happen is it will launch the WordPress installer. Now we can install WordPress from fresh. Here we can give a site title, username, password, email address, and click on Install WordPress. Great. After clicking on Install, it will say success, WordPress has been installed, thank you and enjoy. Now we're going to click on login and now provide our username and password that we just set. Great, now we have logged back into our WordPress dashboard. Now if we take a look at our site, you can see the default theme is being used now. So if we visit our dashboard, if we click on Appearance, here you can see our Cadence theme that we were using is installed but deactivated. And the same goes for the plugins. If I go to plugins, here the plugins simply have been deactivated. Now you can manually delete it from here. You can delete all the plugins from here, and you can remove the theme from here. But one thing that you might find weird is the media library. So if we go to the media library, you will see that it says no media items were found, and we had a lot of media files on our website. Now the problem that will happen is all our media files are still in our WP content folder. But since we have deleted the tables of the database, they cannot link or find the media files. For this, you have to access your WordPress files and delete those media files manually. If you guys want to know how you can access your WordPress files, we already have a video on that. We will provide the link in the video description so you can check it out. So for localhost, what we can simply do is go to our folder. Okay, so this is our XAMPP folder. You can see. From here, we're going to go to htdocs, and from here, this is our website. From here, we're going to go inside the WP content folder, and from here, we're going to go to the uploads folder. Here you can see all the folders So we're going to go to these folders. You can see the images are still there. Okay, so what we're going to do is, you can actually delete these folders, but the safest way is removing all these files or images. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Let's go ahead and remove this. Let's go ahead and remove these. Let's go back, and now let's visit this folder. Now let's delete this. I remove these as well. From here, we are going to remove these. Great. And the last folder is Cadence Starter Templates, and this is just a JSON file. I don't think we need to remove it. Okay, now you have a fresh WordPress site. If you want, you can reactivate your themes and plugins or remove them entirely, but you have a fresh new WordPress website. So that's basically how you can reset your WordPress website manually. Do you think the manual reset method is a bit more time consuming? Then alternatively, you can follow a plugin based method. You can reset a WordPress site faster using a plugin. We have tutorials on plugin based WordPress reset methods as well. We'll provide the links in the video's description. Make sure to check them out. So that brings our video to an end. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos on WordPress.